In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill and color shapes in AutoCAD. We will use the hatch command to apply a solid fill, which is the recommended and most reliable way to add color to closed shapes like rectangles, circles, or any fully enclosed outline. This approach is fast, consistent, and great for clearly highlighting areas in your drawings. Before you start, make sure the area you want to fill is a closed boundary. That means every edge connects without gaps. Rectangles and circles are naturally closed. But if you've drawn a custom outline from lines or arcs, it needs to be watertight for the fill to work. To begin, look to the command line at the bottom of AutoCAD and type H or type hatch. Then press Enter. Using the keyboard is quick and ensures you are launching the right tool. When you do this, the hatch creation ribbon appears at the top, giving you all the controls you need for the fill. Next, set the hatch type. On the hatch creation ribbon, go to the pattern panel and choose solid. Hatch patterns can create textures like brick or cross-hatching. But when your goal is pure color, solid is the cleanest and most predictable option. It keeps your drawing clear and easy to read, especially in plans and diagrams where color is used for emphasis. Now choose your color. On the same ribbon, in the Properties panel, open the Color drop-down and pick the color you want for the fill. You can select a specific color for a one-off highlight or use bilayer if you want the fill color to follow your layer standards. For visibility, pick a color that contrasts well with your line work so the filled area stands out without overpowering the drawing. With the type and color set, apply the fill by clicking inside the closed boundary of your shape. AutoCAD will preview the hatch, so you can confirm it's selecting the correct region. If the fill doesn't appear or you see a warning about an open boundary, here is likely a tiny gap. Zoom in to check the perimeter. Close any openings, and then try clicking again. A proper fill will snugly fit the interior of your shape. When you are satisfied, finish by clicking Close Hatch Creation on the ribbon, or simply press Enter. Your hatch is now placed. If you need to adjust it later, select the filled area, and you can change its color or switch to a different pattern right from the ribbon. That's it. Thanks for watching.